People are going to want to play in this a little bit, I think.
Well,
when the snow comes down.
They're going to want to do that, but it's going to be very, very cold. So that's going to be a challenge, you know. But I used to have like 9 layers on when I was a kid, so I know how that works. This is just outside of San Antonio. This is somebody's trampoline with the snow and ice on the trampoline already, so it's all heading in our direction. They're getting an early warning of it. We're going to get more of that coming on. Exact track radar showing the showers that are down to the south, areas to the north. We're getting reports of this freezing rain. So right now, if you're heading up into these areas, it's North Harris County and Montgomery County, Burleson, Houston County, those areas, we're getting reports of freezing rain. So you really need to be very careful if you have to go out at all. This is going to be moving through pretty quickly. It's not going to be a part of our long-term morning issue. This part is going to be moving out. Later on this afternoon, we'll start to see more coming in from the west, our main event coming in overnight tonight into tomorrow. So right now, you look outside the station here, 36 degrees, northwest winds at 9 miles an hour. That's a Sugarland temperature, but everybody's in those mid-30s right now, at least closer to the coast. Up to the north, we're closer to freezing. 34 in Cleveland, 33 in Conroe, 30 in Brenham, 31 in Columbus, and the feels like temperatures are in the 20s, so very uncomfortable with those north winds that continue to be in play going forward. Here's the deal. We've got this front that's going to be sliding on through here. The area of low pressure is going to help to increase the lift, give us our showers are going to be here. This is tonight at 10 o'clock. We start to see things going downhill with rain to the south, freezing rain, mix of sleet and freezing rain to the north, and then snow north of that, sliding on in here. And all of this is going to slide on down over the next 24 hours. So by 6 o'clock in the morning, we still have all of this going on. Mostly snow, did you see there? And then early out of here by noon, it's going to be gone. But then we have this colder air coming in on the backside of that going into Tuesday, which means we're going to have those temperatures in the teens in many places going forward. So be ready for that. Then on Wednesday, we have another area of low, upper low that's going to be sliding on, lift, and that's going to give us another chance at some showers and some rain coming through here going on Wednesday into Thursday. So a couple of days this week, we'll have wintry weather going through, and on the backside of that, going into Thursday, some of the models want to show that we'll have another dose of that freezing precip going through on Thursday before it finally gets out of here. So the ice is the biggest concern right now. We keep looking at this forecast model where the heaviest of it seems to be off to the east of us, which is okay, except that we still have ice here. And so it's not okay to have this going on because all of us are going to have slick roads. Right now, the models call for us to have more snow and the less ice along the coast. But remember, that snow is going to be on top of the ice that starts even earlier. So here's a look at the exact track radar for the state. Snow already in the panhandle, and the FUTURECAST model picks up pretty well on that. Going to go in a little bit tighter here. This is today at 6 o'clock. We start to see a little bit more rain and a little bit more of that freezing precip, a little sleet, and a little freezing rain associated with that by 9 o'clock tonight. Overnight, look at this by tomorrow morning. We've got a lot of this freezing rain, precip, and snow to the north of that. And notice by 5:30 in the morning, we've got a lot more snow than freezing rain throughout the area. So all of our areas are going to get a little dose of this snow before it moves on out of here. This has a model moving out by 10 o'clock out of here. But on the back side of that is when we have that really cold air coming in. Morning temperatures, Tuesday, 10. Not going to get much warmer until we get toward the end of the week. So keep that in mind. Here's a look at your 10-day forecast with those temperatures today, about 38 degrees or so, maybe 40, but 24 is our high for tomorrow. And those temperatures stay on the cold side. At least we'll get a chance to see some sunshine on Tuesday, but we have to deal with Wednesday, Thursday as well. But right now we have to be concerned about making sure everything is wrapped up and ready to go, stocked up for the next couple of days for this event starting on tonight.